Since the Ukrainian army devastated all modern Russian tanks, Russians are now getting tanks from Belorussia. The Lukashenko regime handed over 24 more T-72A tanks to Russia. Belzd_live Telegram channel reports that 24 more T-72A tanks removed from storage were sent from Belarus towards Donetsk on October 16, 2022. Ukrainian soldiers inspect captured modern Russian helmet Kolpak 20. But what's hiding inside?
Нормально кевларова каска, всередині є вже більш-менш нормальне кріплення, подушечки, щоб не давило в мозок безмозглого кацапа. Але знімаємо чехол. І бачимо, що тут модернізація з 39-го року зразка каски. Просто 2-3 заклепочки, приклеили, внутренность, добавили сразу класс защиты за счет подушечек. Есть такое наше название, Колпак 20. Другий класс захист, я хуєю. Второй класс защиты, да. 22-й рік. Welcome to Ukraine.
Тобто каска з 39-го року випуска стала каскою 22-го року випуску.
Да.
This is a video of a Russian soldiers and equipment being evacuated from the right bank of Dnipro River to Novokakhovka by ferry. Ferries go unloaded to the right bank at least since October 8th. The Ukrainian 44 Artillery Brigade destroyed Russian command post with M982 Excalibur rounds.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.